Thank you. Good morning, dear student. I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty God. I am also well. I am Muhammad Raviul Islam, Assistant Teacher, Satkira Government Girls School, Satkira. Today's class, I will discuss on Unit 9, Lesson 1. You can see I have written down. In last class, we go through Unit 7. But in our syllabus, we haven't find Unit 8. That means news. This unit is skipped. That is why I am jumped on Unit 9. Today's lesson titles is so much popular with us. We see it everywhere, like in our homes, on road, in our schools, in our office, and in any mechanical devices or equipments. Yes, our today's titles is the wheel. This is just a little paragraph and little unit, but afterwards in portion C we have appropriate words using fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Here I will teach you how to use order of the words to identify which parts of speech and which word we should use by using break reading system. So let's start our today's class. Human beings have been invented many important things so far. Human beings, that means mankind, have invented, that means created, many important things so far. They have brought a great civilization to the world through these inventions. Do you know which invention is the greatest? It is the wheel. Wheel is the first invention, first greatest invention of human beings. And today's modern civilization has got this furnace shaped only for this. Someone may say that fire was the main discovery of human being to be civilized. Yes, it's also important, but in case of invention, wheel is the most important. In next paragraph we have a wheel is a circular object. We know that wheel is always round in shape. Okay, such types of shapes. It can rotate around its axis. Yes, axis and longitude and latitude, just like that. It can rotate around its axis and help easy movement of thing across its surface. It can move forward, it can move backward, like that. Okay, it can go forward, it can move backward. Movement of things across a surface, that means surface. It may be parallel, it may be with peaks or ridges. Okay, it doesn't matter. Wheel can easily move. These wheels are in fact in everywhere. I have already told in the beginning that wheels are in our homes, in our mechanical tools, in school offices and everywhere. Besides, they are on our cars, trains, planes, wagon and so on. They are on our most factory and farms equipment, fans, propellers, turbines and other types of wheel. So the wheel is very important and we cannot imagine the modern life without wheels. But we do not know exactly who made the first wheel. So this is the conclusion of our today's lesson. But there are so many important words which may not be known to you. Oh, graph. Sir, permanent marker niye chole asche aজকে sir, permanent marker hoyছে মার্কার দেন, কাজ শেষ। পানি দেন আগে এখান থেকে, পানি নিয়ে আসেন একটু। এই জায়গায় দেন, এই জায়গায় দেন, দেখছেন পার্মানেন্ট চলে আসছে। থ্যাংক ইউ। No. Okay, the first word পরে দেখছি. Here the first word we have circular. Circular means a round shape object. Next one we have rotate, but round shaped object, that means you can say that like disc which is round. Okay, next one we have rotate. Rotate means we can say that turn around. We have to use the rotate things and it must go through with one's terms in axis movement. Okay, or we can say that spin. Most of the students I think know what is the meaning of spin. Spin that means wheeling something. Next one we have axis. Okay, I have used wrongly here a permanent marker, that is why I am trying to correction it. Okay, so here we have axis. Axis means অক্ষ in Bengali, but here we can say that vertical, that means parallel. Next ones we have propeller. Propeller is a round shaped object used in ships, airbus, in speedboats, and you can see in the page number 150 in lower portion in the middle page, that's like just a fan used in ships or in speedboats. Next one we have turbine. In case of generating electricity or hydroelectricity, we use turbines. Next on we have vehicles. Vehicles means yes, bus, truck, etc., but it is simply known as automobile. If you go through some market of Satkira, you will notice that some shops have name automobiles. Some student may think that what is the meaning of automobiles. It is not the cell phone, it is spontaneous motor parts or any mechanical parts or equipments. Next one we have civilization. Civilization means in Bengali we can say that Shobho Samaj, but advancements of human beings is known as civilization. We have another words in the last line of the page 105, equipment. Equipment means tools. Equipments means tool. Okay, there this portion of our today's lesson will come in fill in the blanks in question number 3. That means it comes from the human beings have invented many important things so far to the movements of things across a surface. This portion or the last one, the wheels are in fact everywhere to the first wheel. That means this paragraph can be divided in 2 parts and both parts may have come in your exam. In last we have question number C, fill in the blanks with appropriate words from the box. There are more words than necessary. Okay. I have wasting time by doing this, but it is a mistake and I am trying to erase it. In our exams or in the time of reading English, we will use break reading system. Okay, break reading. I can say in Bengali that যখন অধিকাংশ স্টুডেন্ট পড়ে তখন চেষ্টা করে যে তারা ডিরেক্ট মিনিং করবে। কিভাবে মিনিং করবে? একটা সেন্টেন্স পড়া শেষ করার পরে তারা মিনিং করতে চায়। এটা করতে যে হয় কি, তারা মিনিংটা গুলিয়ে ফেলে বা ওইখানে কোন ধরনের ওয়ার্ড ব্যবহার করবে সেটা বুঝতে পারে না। এই জন্য আমরা দ্বিতীয়ভাবে ব্যবহার করতে পারি অর্ডার অফ দ্য ওয়ার্ডস, দ্যাট মিনস পজিশন। ওকে, আর শেষে আমাদের যেটা থাকবে সেটা হচ্ছে ফর্মস। শব্দটা কোন ধরনের? দ্যাট মিনস পার্টস অফ স্পিচ। তো প্রথমে আমি কথা বলতে চাই ব্রেক রিডিং সম্পর্কে। অ্যাকচুয়ালি ব্রেক রিডিং মিনস স্টপ, গেট দ্য মিনিং অ্যান্ড রিডিং দ্য নেক্সট ওয়ার্ড। লাইক উই হ্যাভ অলদো the wheel is a very dash invention. Okay, this portion. But before starting break reading, you have to know the meaning of the words. Like means although, jodio, the wheel, chaka, is, hoy, a very, খুব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ অটোমেটিক্যালি চলে আসবে ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট, ইনভেনশন। সো এখানে বেশ কয়েকটা প্রথম যে পোর্শনটা আমাদের রয়েছে ব্রেক রিডিং। ব্রেক রিডিংয়ের পরে আমাদের জানতে হবে অর্ডার অফ দ্য ওয়ার্ডস। আমরা কিভাবে এই অর্ডার অফ দ্য ওয়ার্ডসটা ব্যবহার করব। ইন দ্য ফার্স্ট ক্লাস অ্যান্ড দ্য সেকেন্ড ক্লাস of this online class, I told you that noun, adjective, verb and adverb always gets its position after some words. Like adjective and noun sits together. If two words comes one after another, the first one will be adjective and the second one will be noun. Okay, like a book. So here we all know that book is a noun, and we know that a or a is an article. Okay, this article is acting just like an adjective. In Bengali we can say that বিশেষ্যের দোষ, গুণ, পরিমাণ ইত্যাদি নির্দেশ করে যেগুলো, সেগুলোকে বিশেষণ বলে। In English বিশেষণ means adjective. Okay, so here we know that adjective can be modified by adverb. So order last like be that as adverb modifies adjective and adjective modifies noun. At the same time, adverb modifies verb. So we have to know how this adverb, verb, adjective and noun get position. Okay, get their position in a sentence. Like he always reads novel in the afternoon. Okay, so for the problem of permanent marker I am writing down here, he always reads a novel in the afternoon. Here subject, this one is verb, object, an extension. Always here acting last like an adverb. Okay. Subject may be noun or pronoun. Sometimes gerund or participle, present participle or infinite. Okay. So subject mainly are nouns and pronouns. Verb. As verb we can use be verb, have verb, main verb or modal verb. And object is also just like noun and pronoun or any other gerund or participle. In the afternoon here extinction just working just like as an adverb. So we have to know what is adverb and the types of adverbs. Okay. Do you know how many types adverbs we have? Can you guess? There are 3 types of adverbs. Okay. There are 3 types of adverbs. Before going to describe them, what are the names of adverbs, we have to know the position of adverbs, where they usually get their position in a sentence. Okay. Okay. So there are mainly three position of adverbs. They sit just in the beginning, of a sentence and in the last of a sentence, and always before main verbs. In the last or main verb. Sometimes we notice some adverbs after be verbs or modal verbs, but we have to use a main verb after that adverb, like that. He always sings a song. সব সময় একটি গান গায়. Okay. So here always is an adverb. Every day he goes to school. Every day he goes to school. Here every day in the beginning. I play football in the afternoon. In the afternoon. Here in the last position we have the adverb. Okay. So if I write down thus like that, I am here. After be verb we are getting an adverb, but it is in the position of last position of a sentence. That is why it is also here am is a finite verb. That is why in the last position here is an adverb. So this is the position of a word. So here we have in the first line, come to the point. In question number C, in page number 106, we have although the wheel is a very important dash invention. So very, here very is an adverb. So we have to use an adjective. So difficult, mass, circular, important, heavy, fast, all of them are adjective. That is why every noun words or after be verb we have to use adjective. So the first one will be important invention. The history of its origin is unknown. Okay. The history of its, that means its history origin is unknown. The expert guessed that the first wheel was developed from a circular object. So here the word is circular object, here a circular adverb and object is noun. The early man observed that a huge piece of stone could be rolled easily if it is dash in shape, circular in shape. Similarly, a heavy tree trunk is dash is difficult to carry. After be verb is, here difficult we use difficult as an adjective to carry, but it can be rolled away with less effort. Even a gigantic tree trunk can be moved easily using other small and round trunks as roller under it. Thus, an early man took the advantage of rolling object and developed the first wheel. Here the word the wheel. Okay. So the first one is as an article, next one we have to use an adjective, and here it is as noun. The first wheel. Okay, the answer will be the first wheel. Apart from the mechanical advantage here noun, and the before this noun we have got the adjective as mechanical. A wheel is mobility and contributed much to the civilization. So here we have a little bit portion of adverb, just like we have even, apart from, easily, etc. are adverb. So adverbs are three types. Okay, mainly three types. That means adverbs of time, of place, adverbs of manner. So in case of time, we can get the answer by asking when. As place, we can use to make question where, and manners how. So in a sentence, we will find these three questions to know what will be the answer, and after knowing the adverbs, we have to go to the position of adjective and noun. Then you can easily find the answer, what will be the answer. But to do all this, you have to know the position of the word, that means order of the words, and the meaning. Then you can easily make answer fill in the blanks or prefix or suffix or any other portion. It is a little bit difficult. I hope that you are getting what I am going to teach, though it was difficult. In question number D, we see the table. You have to make 5 sentences, and to write down the answer, sometimes you write down just like 1, 2, 3 or A, B or C, but in left column A you have A, B or C, or in column B you have 1, 2, 3 in Roman letter. Okay, but in case of writing the answer, you have to write them in chronologically or with the timetable. Okay, just like the first one, A plus 1, after the parenthesis you will write down the answer. Okay, like the wheel is a type a round shape object. Okay, next one, B plus, maybe the answer may be 3, or here maybe answer 2, then parenthesis and write down answer. In question number 6 you have to write down this. So here we have a table. Make as many correct sentences as you can. there are four option, but you can make how many types of sentence. It may be 4 or 5, sometimes it may be 3, or at least it might be 4. Okay, you can use the substitution table. In third column there are more items than necessary. So the in left option we have the wheel, a plain wheel, it means the wheel, and a propeller. Propeller means, I have told that it's also kinds of wheel used in ships or turbines. In middle portion, in column B, we have only verbs: is, has, and rotates. A main verb, a half verb, and a verb. Okay, and column C, we have a type of wheels. Around its axis. One of the simplest machines, wheels on vehicles and machines, helped in rapid progress of civilization. That means we have 5 options. We have to use the 4. The first one here, the wheel is one of the simplest machine. Okay. Next one we have a plain wheel. A plain wheel rotates around its axis. It has helped in rapid progress of civilization. A propeller is a type of wheels. Okay, that is the answer. So in lesson 2 we have the history of wheels, and the portion is that look at the following picture of the wheels. It existed in different ages of history, and discuss with your partners and put ordinary members and under in spelling is first, second, etc., and beginning from the earliest to the modern times. And after that we have a dialogue. In last class I discussed about dialect of river gypsies, and here the dialogue is about the wheels between a teacher and a student. So you have to do just like these types of dialogues between your two friends, what may be. Okay, so your homework will be make a dialogue between you and your friend about the importance of wheels. Okay, write a dialogue between you and your friend about the importance of wheel in the modern civilization. Okay, dear students and learners, see you in next class with these dialogues. Thank you all.